How to give constructive criticism to athletes. Imagine you are coaching a team and want to help your athletes improve without hurting their confidence. Giving feedback can be tricky, but it is essential for growth. When you offer criticism, focus on helping, not hurting. Start by thinking about what you want to say, not just how you say it. Athletes respond better when they understand the message, not when they feel attacked. Use a clear and simple approach. First, identify specific behaviors or skills that need work. For example, instead of saying, "Your passing was bad," say, "Your passes were off target during the third quarter." This makes the feedback clear and actionable. Next, always mention what the athlete does well before pointing out what needs improvement. This builds confidence and makes them more open to change. For instance, say, "Your footwork has improved, but your timing on passes needs work." Explain why the feedback matters. Tell athletes how fixing this issue can help them reach their goals or improve their game. When they see the purpose, they are more likely to accept it. Encourage them to think about the feedback. Ask questions like, "What do you think you can do differently?" Or, "How can you use this advice in your next practice?" This helps them process the message and take ownership of their improvement. Create a two-way conversation. Invite questions or clarifications. If an athlete is unsure about what to do, they should feel comfortable asking. Be empathetic and supportive. Recognize their feelings and avoid making them feel bad. Use kind words and show you care about their progress. Help athletes develop mental skills to handle feedback. Teach them to stay calm, focus on what they can control, and use breathing or relaxation techniques if they feel anxious. This makes receiving criticism less stressful. Also, teach them to distinguish between useful feedback and unhelpful comments. Not everything is worth acting on, so they need to filter out noise. Finally, give practical tips or drills they can do to improve. For example, if their shooting accuracy is off, suggest specific drills to practice their form. Concrete steps make it easier to see progress and stay motivated. In team settings, coaches should create an environment where feedback is seen as part of growth. Model respectful communication and reminded athletes that everyone is working to get better. When criticism is delivered thoughtfully, it can boost team morale and help everyone perform at their best.